Hi guys, Jay Roberts here, Geeky Dad from Building My Empire, and today's video is going to be different, guys. I'm not gonna be teaching or showing anything that I can help you with. Basically, I'm just going to be talking about some of the things I'm trying at the moment. I've been doing a lot of YouTube, call it training, YouTube training, looking into it, trying to figure it all out, see if I can grow the channel. Well, sorry about that, guys. You went for a little ride. The phone flew off. So what I was saying before I was rudely interrupted. I'll do it again, guys. Head up, guys. Don't know if you can see. But it seems to be broke. So I might have to hold you in my hand. Try it again, guys. Probably going to flick off again, guys, so I'll just hold you in my hand. Basically, I've been doing a lot of YouTube and trying to get the channel better. Want to grow it, do better at the tags, thumbnails, the description, titles, basically anything what can get it ranked with this SEO, search engine optimization. So yeah, I've been doing a lot of that these last couple of days. So even though I've got loads of videos planned and ready, well, not so much ready, but like more or less ready, but like not 100%. Yeah, so I decided to just do this quick one tonight and let you know what's been happening. I've started the YouTube ads, and I've been posting daily in the Facebook groups. Joined a few more Facebook groups today. Been speaking to a lot of like YouTubers and that, so positive things looking in that group. And I've like invested in a course, a YouTube course, so I'm learning all about that. That's set me back a little bit, but it's come out of my bonuses and that, so it's not actually out of my pocket. Yeah, so my plan is still going ahead. We've made about not sure how many subscribers we had beforehand, but we've got about 36 subscribers now. When did I started it on Saturday, Friday, Saturday. Can't remember what day it was, guys, but yeah, it's not quite hundreds yet. We've got a long way to go before we hit that 1,000, but we're up. We're adding to the channel. It's not exactly minus, so it's good. I've not been doing much on the podcast, which over the weekend I plan on doing adding loads of different videos up to it. Basically transcribe them from the YouTube videos to the podcast. Not had many opt-ins on the email. Getting some each day, which is still alright. But this week's been more about concentrating on YouTube. Well, concentrating on the business, number one priority, and then the YouTube channel, which is also the business. Yeah, so I've been concentrating on the business, number one, then the YouTube channel, which is also part of the business, but I don't want to concentrate too much on growing that and taking time away from the channel. So anyway, guys, I just thought I'd let you know what's been happening this week. I apologise because there's not going to be a proper video where I'm showing you or teaching you things, but there will be lots more stuff happening soon, and exciting times to come, because hopefully this YouTube channel will help me, and we will fulfil the mission, the challenge of 1,000 subs in a month. So fingers crossed, guys, and once again, thanks very much for watching, and I apologise for it being short. Till next time, guys, bye bye.